Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to do a carbonara, but it's a vegetarian carbonara with corn pieces. It's a bit like chicken, a bit like tofu, but it's got a nice bit of flavouring in it, and it says high in protein, gluten free, low in saturated fat, no soy. So I've got obviously the corn pieces, obviously tagliatelle. I've got some onions, some chives, garlic, black pepper, nutmeg, some Parmesan cheese, it's really nice. I've got some flour and olive oil and some dried skim milk because we don't have milk in this house, so we just make it up, and I'll make this up until it's creamy for the bechamel white sauce mix. So we'll get started. I've got a pan over there on the go, so I'm going to put the pasta in and we'll get going. So see you in a minute. So we've got our pan on with some heat, some olive oil, get our onions. This is red onions, by the way. Garlic, we have a pan, we've got a little bit of olive oil, it's already got salt in it. Going to add a tagliatelle pasta. And our corn pieces. Okay, so we've got our corn pieces cooking away nicely. We've got our pasta on over there. So we've got the little pan here. We've got some, I use olive butter. Going to melt that down. Okay, I moved it over to the smaller burner because it's getting a bit fierce. So what I'm going to do add some flour. It's basically equal amounts. So you end up with a paste like this, and we'll add sort of like equal amount of milk, just a dash of nutmeg and black pepper. So you end up with a nice creamy sauce. So we've got our white sauce. Get our Parmesan. Okay, so we got a nice creamy bechamel sauce with Parmesan in, so we're ready for that. Our pasta's nearly done. Corn pieces are cooked, so we're going to start bringing this all together. See you in a minute. Okay, so drain the pasta. I've kept some of the water. I'm just going to pour some in there to basically stop the cooking. And you want to save the pasta water. You might need it. Get our pasta, pour over our sauce, and basically we just stir this in. Some more of your pasta water. Add your chives. And stir that in. Okay, so this is done. Just going to let that warm through with the chives and everything, and we'll have a plate up and we'll bring it right back. Okay, so there we have it, a vegetarian carbonara with corn pieces. It tastes a bit like chicken, looks a bit like tofu, but I don't know. With onion, garlic, the corn pieces, tagliatelle pasta with some chives, and a white sauce, which was I used olive butter, some equal amount of flour and milk, and Parmesan cheese, and some nutmeg and some black pepper. So this is going to be really tasty. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. And take it easy, guys. See you later.